Tired of waiting for your dice to regenerate in Monopoly Go? Let's unlock the secrets to scoring tons of free dice links, catapulting you ahead of the competition. First, become a social media sleuth. Head over to the official Monopoly Go Facebook page. It's your first goldmine. Scopely, the game developer, regularly posts dice links directly on their page. Turn on notifications so you never miss a drop. Then, dive into Reddit. Dedicated Monopoly Go communities are buzzing with players sharing links. Subreddits are treasure troves, so keep your eyes peeled. Don't forget Discord. Join Monopoly Go servers. Many have channels specifically for sharing and requesting dice links. Next, boost your odds by getting involved. Comment on and like Scopely's posts on Facebook. This increases your visibility and encourages them to keep the links coming. Actively participate in those Reddit threads and Discord servers. Sharing is caring. Contribute links you find and you'll be rewarded with reciprocal shares. It builds good karma and more dice. Finally, unlock free dice through in-game mastery. Completing sticker albums showers you with valuable dice rewards, so prioritize trading and gifting stickers with your friends, and don't underestimate events and tournaments. They're packed with milestones that unlock hefty dice prizes as you progress, so get rolling, implement these strategies, and watch your Monopoly Go empire expand.